In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert color of an image in Canva. If you've ever wanted that striking, color-negative look for a photo or graphic, this is a quick, built-in feature that takes just a few clicks. Inverting colors flips every hue to its opposite on the color wheel, which can create high-contrast effects, edgy thumbnails, or simply help you explore a different visual direction without permanently changing your original file. Start by opening your project in Canva. Give the page a moment to load, so all the editing tools are available. Once you're in, find the image you want to invert. You can do this by looking directly on your canvas or locating it in the Layers panel. If you're working with multiple elements, click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it, and the top toolbar updates with image-specific options. At the top, click Edit. Depending on your layout or version, this may appear as Edit Image. Both take you to the same editing controls. This opens the editing panel on the side, where you'll find a range of tools designed for color, tone, and effects. In that panel, click Adjust. Adjust is where all the basic image corrections live, things like brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. If you don't see the full list, expand the section so you can view all available sliders and buttons. Now scroll down through the Adjust options until you see Invert. It may be grouped with other color-related tools, so keep scrolling until you spot it. When you see Invert, click it. Instantly, Canva will flip the colors of your selected image, turning light areas dark, dark areas light, and converting each color to its opposite. This is different from a simple black and white filter. It preserves detail while transforming the overall palette. If the result feels too intense, remember you can undo instantly or use the reset controls in the Adjust panel to return to your original look. Also, keep in mind this change only affects the image you selected, not other elements on the page. After inverting, preview your design against your background to make sure the contrast works well with text and other graphics. That's it. Open your project, select the image, click Edit, go to Adjust, scroll to Invert, and click. With just these steps, you can create bold, alternative versions of your visuals quickly and non-destructively, giving yourself more creative options without starting from scratch.